something that's going to hold my fridge. It's just an old shelf. That's an old pile of it's all getting riveted now. Pain in the butt. But that's how it is. This is so my fridge doesn't go flying everywhere. I'm tired of everything flying. I'm tired of having to strap everything down. Got the wood stove. I still got, you've seen the video of the other day, there was a little smoke coming out of here. There's ropes that I have to put in there. The rope is almost all there, but it's still missing a little bit of it. The door, I have to get a rope for it. It's missing the whole door on that. And there's this little gasket spot. I have to put something in here because it doesn't seal all that great. There used to be like a hydraulic cement in there. And that is part of an old dryer. That's the top of the dryer. And that's the side of the dryer. Same way on the outside. I get the same thing on the outside. Yeah, she's riveting this one. She's getting better at the riveting. She needs a little more arm strength. She's got little noodle arms. Little wet noodles. That's the side of my wash machine. Old wash machine. Need an old washer and an old dryer. I'll scuff it up and paint. It's funny, the smoke pouring outside of the bus. Everybody's always looking at it and what?
Everybody's always looking at us anyways. We have a freaking bus in the middle of a city.
Yeah, well, it's not much of a city. It's kind of a city.
I'm going to skip that one for now.
And I gotta put a couple of rivets in the middle of this too. And I got my holes already pre-drilled in that, so I can mount it to mount the fridge to. She's getting there. She's getting better. She's figuring it out. And then I have an old smoker thing at my property. And we've seen her doing her riveting. She's doing an awesome job at it. I'm going to take the old smoker thing, and it's going to go right here.
The heck you are!
Right? Not the big round barrel, that old piece of crap that we found on the side of the road.
Yeah, no, the heck you are!
Yeah, it already fell apart all. It's completely fell apart. Some animal got to it and rolled it down the hill. And that's going to hold the wood right there. At the bottom, I'm going to turn it around so it's got a cove to it, and that's going to sit there, and then on the top of it's going to hold the wood, the sticks. So the sticks and wood ain't just sitting on the floor. I can't stand it just sitting on the floor. And then I'll put some metal around it and stuff. For the wood stove,
Pretty sure the bus looked better when I had it decorated.
I still got to put my elbows on the outside of it. That goes out there like that. So it goes up. And then I got that piece there. Been doing a lot of work. It's just hard to film in here.
Yeah,
Pain in the
I'm
butt.
gonna. Oh, wait. It's the last one for this side.
Last one. Then we got to do some in the middle. But alright, it's been a long enough video for the moment.